Good afternoon, good morning for everyone joining us from the West Coast, or good morning actually from our friend from Mexico. It's only 11 a.m. for you, and some of our friends for Brazil and the US market. So we are here today to welcome Alexis Celeron, which is for our beautiful island, Calivini Island in Grenada. So Alexis, tell us, I think you have a few things to show us, and then we can... we keep the question for the end unless we wanted to do more casual. And as I said, we are a smaller group today, so it's up to...
Dear Dominique, thanks again for the invitation. It's always a pleasure to be here sharing with you this private gem of Calivini. So I'm the sales and marketing director for Calivini Island. Before starting to develop the details about what we offer, I would like to share my screen with you to present you a small film of the island to give you a better idea about the experience we can offer to the guests. So
thank you.
It's just about a minute. So.
Usually we speak during the video, but I think the music and the beauty and the grandness were all silent.
Yes, exactly. And I love this video because it's short, but it's efficient. And I love it. So just a quick overview about the history of Calivini for the one that doesn't know it. We belong to a French billionaire family. And that's why we are such a particular product, because we are not an hotel, neither a resort, but a private island to rent for one group and only of guests at the same time in the island. And that's very important because exclusivity and privacy, it's one of our major assets as well. So we are located on the extremely south of Caribbean in Grenada Island. It's about 3 hours from Miami, 5 hours from New York, for example. From the moment the clients are landing in the airport, we take care about everything. It's just about 30 minutes to arrive in the island, 15 minutes car ride and 15-minute boat ride to arrive in this private paradise. We have 3 different living areas in the island. The first one, the beach house villa, it's probably the heart of the island, and it's huge. More than 4,000 square feet for this villa. For 18 suites, we used to have, 9 suites, up to 18 guests. We used to have 10 suites, but we recently converted 1 suite in a beauty room. It's the house where we have all the main amenities, meaning the main pool, main kitchen, game rooms, a gym room as well. So it's definitely the heart of the island. In terms of style, we are a mix between French colonial and Balinese. So as you can see, we could be on the roof of Bali in the middle of the Caribbean. The rotunda, one piece of art of this villa, designed by the French Compagnon du Devoir, a very famous French institution. We have this crystal de Baccarat here in the center of the rotunda. As you will see, luxury, it's everywhere. In Calivini. Here, for example, in the presidential suite, as you can see, we have definitely a Ritz on the islands in terms of items we have, but as well in terms of luxury services, the level of service that we want to provide to our guests. And the reason about this is that because the owners wanted the best for everything for them. That's why we have this level of service and luxury in Calivini. As well here, for example, in the bathroom of the master suite, full Italian marble. We have these two huge black shower marble, one for Madame and one for Monsieur. So you have an idea about the luxury we can offer to the guest for this villa. The steel, it's quite opulent, but when you come it the first time, you're blown away. The second villa, Overrank, was built in a very different way because the owner is as well a huge fan of yachts, and he wanted to reproduce the feeling of a yacht for this villa. That's why you can see it's built on the half on the sea. It's just about 3 minutes walking to join the main villa beach house directly through the sea or through the palm trees. As you can see, the steel is very more modern, designed by Christopher Guy, the Londonian architect. We have as well a 9 suite for this villa, so we can welcome up to 18 guests. We have 2 suites upstairs and 7 suites downstairs. That's a good thing as well if we receive teenagers. For example, we know that work, sometimes they love to have their own privacy. So we have a kitchen downstairs. They can have the private chef dedicated to them if they want to escape from the parents, for example. Lush and luxurious vegetation all around the island. Dominique can talk about it. When we welcome guests the first day, we usually ask them to just get lost to discover the island. They'll try to disconnect to the daily basis. The last living area, these 3 deluxe beach cottages. You will see it's beach cottages, but that's still sophisticated. For each one, we have a private jacuzzi, and just in front of this beautiful Caribbean Sea. For each one, two suites, 2 rooms, so we can welcome for these 3 cottages up to 12 guests or more. Culinary pleasure, one of our other major assets. One more time, the owner want the best for that as well. And I would like to say as well that each rental in Calivini is very different, and we want to make and offer 100% tailor-made experience for the client. But for example, here we are our 3 chefs working for the island: Emanuele from Les Bergs, the Four Seasons in Geneva, and Julien and Julie couple who has been working for Alain Ducasse for more than 10 years. Now, if the clients want to have a Michelin starred chef or a special chef, it's also always possible, of course. We offer as well wine and spirits. We can have a formal dinner as here in the terrace of the pool in the beach house, or something more informal as a garden party here in front of the beautiful sea. The point is that the family really wants to give the keys of this private paradise for the clients. So of course they have access to all the French cutlery and Christophe, and all the porcelain from France as well, from the family. So they definitely have the keys of this private paradise when they come. In terms of activities, in the island, we have more or less all the toys that you can imagine: jet ski, jetpack, kayak, snorkeling, diving, catamaran, to enjoy the beautiful sea surrounding the island. And we can, of course, as well arrange outside expedition that could be for discovering waterfalls, the beautiful underwater museum that we have in Grenada, or local rum or chocolate factory. In terms of sports, we have one tennis field, one football field. We can have as well sport teacher that could be for boxing, yoga session, massage session is as well possible. And we have these 7 gazebos spread over the island to have private moment that could be for just enjoying a cup of champagne in the jacuzzi for the sunset, or having a romantic dinner, for example. And we have as well this beautiful tree house dedicated to the children, but it's not a classic one, as we have a PS4, AC, and 4 beds. So sometimes the children prefer stay on this tree house than one of the villa. And we can have of course as well on request a nanny if needed. So I tried to be efficient, as we have a lot to say about, of course, about Calvini, but in some key images and some word who we are. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Alexis. That was very complete and precise. I want to say that remember the egg Benedict are served with a bechamel. But guess what's in the bechamel? White truffle. So those are gastronomic unforgettable moments, I would say. So I see a few pictures from Céline. You're asking if there is wild animal on the island, but Alexis, tell us a little more about the animals on the island.
I can assure you that we have no dangerous animals, of course, but we have this how we call them, the lizard that we have on the island, and beautiful birds as well, but no snakes and no dangerous animals.
No predators, huh? And you do have other life animal on the island?
Yes, as well, because we have a farm with some donkey, some chicken, and our organic farm as well will we produce our own fruit and vegetable dedicated to the chef, of course.
It's on the other side of the island, but of course guests are welcome to walk, but everything on your plates, from a lot of things on your plates are from, if they can grow locally, will be local. And
mainly.
We saw a picture also through the video where you have the fisherman coming every day. So you have the first right of choice for the fresh lobster of the day and things. So
the turbo or different local fish.
I know. I went there a few times already, and each time they come, even on weekends, they will come and present what they fish and ask the chef if they want some. So what can we say about Grenada? Because it's below the hurricane belt, so I think the weather is beautiful all year long. Yeah,
all year long. Maybe
not always the case in the Caribbean.
Maybe if we have 1 month to avoid it, September. But we have this chance, as you said, to be under below the hurricane belt, and that's a great thing because we avoid 19% of the hurricane. That's why we have all the boats coming in September and October in Grenada, and we have a beautiful weather all around the year. Even it's, to my opinion, the best months are for festive and beginning of the year. Where it's perfect and you have the best conditions.
But I was speaking with the owner the other day, and they were saying that for her, the best months start in April, which usually in April start to be the low season for the rest of the Caribbean. And she was not making a sales speech to me, but it was interesting to say, are you sure? For you, the best months is in, so it's something to know that actually even in June, in July, clients could have
Of
a
course,
lovely
of
weather.
course,
Huh?
all around the year. After it, depending if
Hello.
you like to maybe to tan to the sun or. Mhm.
Yeah. So no wild animal, huh? Céline, we said that, but you have all the donkey. Catering logistic, you saw the big team. We have the chefs. How many people, how many staff do we have on the island?
So we have basically around 50 people working all around the year only to maintain the island, because we are as well 100% sufficient, as we have, for example, factory of desalinization water. We produce our own electricity, and between the security, the housekeeping staff, etc., we have more or less 50 people for working the year. After, when we have a request, it depends of the number of the guests we have. We asking, of course, a special staff for welcoming the clients.
So it's a buyout only, and it's maximum what, 40 guests? Huh?
35, 40, yes. Technically,
40
we
guests,
could go up to 48, 50, but
yeah.
in order to be sure about the level of
The
service we
service.
want to deliver to the guests, we say 35, 40 maximum.
I don't call it for you when I describe you for Calvini. I don't say 5-star. I said it's more 7-star. So there is a total of 24 bedrooms. So obviously, officially, it could be up to 48 guests. But I know you like to keep it as low, a little lower than 40, to make sure it's extraordinary at any time of the day and for any request. Huh? So
I saw the question about the minimum stay requirement. Usually we request 5-6 nights minimum.
Céline, you're asking if there is any underwater wreck around the island. This I don't know. Usually I know all the answer for your island, but I know diving is great. But is there specially known the area with some underwater wreck? Not sure.
I heard about it in north of Grenada, near to Carriacou. And we have as well this, as I said, the beautiful underwater museum
That's true.
that we have in Grenada. And I had the chance to do it. You can do it diving or snorkeling.
I never did it. I went 5 times
You
to
have,
Calvini
next
and
time you come, we have to do it
underwater.
together.
Wow.
It's a Mexican Maya's sculpture that we have, and it's a beautiful experience to do.
Wow, it's great. And what I love about the island is you can just take a jet ski and come and go back on your own to Grenada. So
Of
you can
course.
be as, it's free. And I like that. It was really nice. So Céline, yes, the sand is real and white. And there is where the child house is. Yes, it's you're totally on the beach. Duki, you wanted to know how many beach cottage. So
3 beach cottages.
And each of them has 2 bedrooms. The beach cottages are identical. Huh? They all have
exactly. They are the same.
It depends a little bit their location. One is a little closer to the beach, I would say, and then the other one is a little higher up, but still looking at the same beach.
And for each one, they have their own privacy. As effectively they are in the same area, but for each one you have your own privacy.
You want to know, Céline, what type of fish is there in the ocean?
Oh,
tuna, cod?
different, but I know that we have turbo, we have lobster. We don't have I forgot the word in English. Un requin.
Sharks.
A shark. Thank you. We don't have shark
No sharks.
around the
That's
island.
good news for everyone.
I know some shark are in the north of the island, and you have the possibility to dive with them if you want. And
you mean the north of Grenada?
Of Grenada, not
the
on
north of Grenada, huh? Because we are in the south, in the water where there are no sharks. Huh? All right. Mosquito, how is the mosquito situation?
So, of course, as everywhere, we have some mosquito, but the island is treated to be sure to be safe and quiet about this question.
You were on another option. There is no resort tax, huh? And of course, great Wi-Fi all over the island.
Of course, of course.
Where the food is coming from. So
one more time, it's 100% tailor-made. So it depends regarding the wish of the clients, but the food are mainly come from Rungis the famous luxury food market in France. And if we have special requests, that could be from everywhere. And we try as well to mix with local beautiful furniture that we can have, that could be for the fish, for example, as Dominic said, morning delivery, or our local farm that could be for tomatoes or other food, for example.
Tara, you want to know if there is any medical staff on the island? Just in case?
We have not on the island, but we have medical staff dedicated to be allowed to come in Calivini, in mainland, in Grenada, for the private American hospital.
And maybe to conclude, I don't see any more picture, but would you like to give us maybe the COVID procedure or things like that? Because that's still valid, maybe only for a few more months, but
exactly, it's always moving.
Yes, exactly. The moment, I mean, if there is you have no quarantine
restriction are the following rules. So negative PCR test 48 hours before coming in Grenada. And then we request a 5-day quarantine in Calivini. They don't have to stay on the villa, but they have to stay on the island.
Which is what they're coming from. I don't know.
Exactly.
You have the best quarantine ever. For people who book Calivini. And guess what? Your quarantine is in Calivini.
Exactly. And they even can use the jet ski around the island, or boats if they want to dive, etc. But they have to stay in the area of the island for the 5-day quarantine. And then they are free to go for excursion
back to Grenada if they wish to. So exactly. It's very, very easy. Huh? Yes.
Exactly.
Céline, you're asking where Alexis is based?
I'm based in Paris for the moment. So
we already spoke about doing a live from Calvini when he's gonna be there.
Yes,
interaction. Next time we're gonna have a few members of the staff joining us and highlighting some of them. Thank you very much. Duki Acid, hope we never have to leave quarantine forever on the island.
That's an option.
I mean, it's almost a joke in a way when you think about it. The best quarantine ever, that for sure, as long as we can. Magic place, definitely. I think it grows into you, and the food has to be tasted to be believed. And I know that if your client's coming from the US and if they prefer an American chef, you can also bring an American chef on the top of your Italian cuisine, Asian and Japanese cuisine. It's unbelievable. I never ate the same thing ever in five times that I went there. So that's quite amazing.
And I allow myself to insisting again about the tailor-made and bespoke experience that we offer. We will make sure that to understand and to find what is the most important for your clients, to offer them the best experience ever.
You have so much activities. You have also the jetpack.
Exactly.
You have the aqua gym. You have a huge list of activities. You really don't get bored. And I like the fact also you offer some of the best chocolate as a little, amenities in the room. That's always a favorite because the chocolate of Grenada is absolutely spectacular.
And the rum as well is beautiful.
I need to work on this one. We have like this dark chocolate at, I don't know, 90%, which is amazing. And, all right. So I will like to say goodbye to everyone. I do not
Thanks everyone for listening. And if you need any further information.
Céline, you're asking me what attracted me to represent this resort. Actually, I went to see it first. And as I said, usually I have things which are maybe sometimes a little more local or authentic local. The owners are wonderful. I thought the service, we like to specialize in unique property. Talking about unique, that is it. And especially, I don't know, the vibe, and it grows into you. It grows into you. And I liked what the comparison that you give into a yacht. You're so close to Grenada. You're not isolated in the ocean. At night, you see the magic light of the main island, and you really feel like you're on this beautiful boat where it's a little paradise island where everybody's so nice, and you have little animals. You go and pick up your eggs if you want to, so you can have the island has a little wild side to it, where there is no construction, nothing. So you can really, and you have a lot of toys. You even have motorbike for you, and it's very, I would say, unusual as a product, and extremely on the top. Voilà. Thank you, Alexis.
Thank you,
Thank you, everyone. Buenas tardes, buen día, and I will see you soon.
Have a great day. Bye-bye, everyone.
2 p.m. At 2 p.m. we have our DMC from Italy, Perfetto Traveler. We'll see you soon.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye-bye, Alexis. Have a good night.